Coming up on today's episode of The Joy of Editing with Dave Kelly, with the new TOPAZ Photo AI Lightroom plugin, you now have the ability to crop and upscale your photos directly within the app. Stay tuned as we explore this exciting new feature. Hello everyone and welcome to The Joy of Editing with Dave Kelly. I'm excited about today's video because we've all been waiting for this for a while now. We want to be able to crop and resize our images in TOPAZ Photo AI and then round trip those back into Lightroom. And I know you've all been waiting for this, but we're going to take a look at it in detail today. But first off, I want to let you know that TOPAZ Photo AI is on sale now. You'll save $40 off now until February 17th, 2023. Just click on my affiliate link in the description below. It'll take you right to the sale. When you use my affiliate link, I make a small commission, and this helps me to keep tutorials coming your way each and every week. Also, by the way, you can get the image quality bundle, which includes denoise, gigapixel, and sharpen AI. You save $59.98 when you purchase that as a bundle. If you own one or two of the apps, you can also complete your bundle. You can also pause this video and read how you can claim a free license for TOPAZ Photo AI when you own all three of the image quality bundle with up-to-date licenses. And now on to the tutorial. Up on the screen right now is all the new changes in this new update and fixes. You may want to pause the video and just check those out. All right, let's check out the new crop and resize in Photo AI. Now I'm in Lightroom. This is an iPhone photo. It's a RAW file shot with an iPhone 13 Pro Max. Now I haven't done any edits on it so far. And I just want to show you that the file size is 4032 by 3024, but what I want to do is crop in really tight to this frog. Now, pay close attention here. Here's how we have to edit this. We don't right click and go to edit in. What we do is come up here to file and come down to plugin extras and then just look for a process with Photo AI. Give that a click and you'll get this dialog box that comes up. Now, I highly recommend that you choose Edit a Copy so you keep your original RAW file safe and keep it as an archive. If you click Overwrite Selected, then you're going to overwrite on your RAW file and there's no getting it back from there, especially if a problem happens in Photo AI. Your file, your precious image will be gone forever. So you don't want to do that. You want to maintain your original RAW file. Now, you could crop your image here in Lightroom and then send that into Photo AI. And then when it comes back, it'll have all the adjustments on it, you know, the denoising, the sharpening, and so forth, and upsizing, whatever you do to it. Your RAW file will be sent to Photo AI. However, it will not be a crop file. When it comes back, Lightroom will apply the crop, and it will apply your original editing adjustments to it as well. In other words, it leaves Lightroom as an unedited, uncropped RAW file. But I don't like that method. If something happens in Photo AI and something crashes, you lose your precious RAW file. So don't do that. I highly recommend that you don't. Choose the Edit a Copy, and then you'll do your cropping and resizing and denoising and sharpening all inside of Photo AI. But your original RAW file will remain safe. I'm going to go ahead and click on Edit a Copy, and that'll launch TOPAZ Photo AI. And here we are inside of TOPAZ Photo AI. It's scanning my image, it's denoising, sharpening, doing whatever it thinks it needs. I'm just focusing today on the cropping and the upsizing because it does a really good job in this image. And now it's done. I'm just using the autopilot settings. It's removed noise, it's sharpened the image. And now we have the upscale area down here, and this is where we crop our image. So I'm going to click on crop, and I'm going to crop this image in. Now I'm going to click on this drop down, and I'm going to choose more of a regular digital DSLR setting, like a 2x3, 4x6. And as you can see, the crop is going vertical. You can click this 2 arrow button here, and it'll flip that to now be a horizontal crop. And I'm just going to get a nice tight crop on my little frog friend here that I shot with my iPhone. I was surprised I could get this close to this frog. But let's see, I think maybe a crop. I'll put that third right on its eye. I think that's pretty good. And I'll just click Apply Crop. And now it's cropped in. Now it's going to go ahead and rescan the image. And we'll see what happens here. It's doing its sharpening now. Now it's done. All right, now I need to upsize this image or upscale it, whichever you prefer. Now, as you'll notice, the image has gotten a lot smaller. It's now 2296 pixels by 1530, really small. If I wanted to get a really big print out of this, I'd have to really bring this up. So let's see what happens if I click on max. But before I do that, I want you to notice something. It's going to go ahead and rescan this image again, and watch, you may see some changes here. I'm going to click on max, and now it's scanning the image. It's actually enhancing it right now, but you notice that it's not using remove noise or sharpen, or is it? I don't know what goes on behind the scenes here, but those are off. And enhanced resolution, if we look at it, it's using the standard enhanced resolution here. And I'll give it a second, it'll be done right about now. Okay, so there we go. And that's on standard. And let's go ahead and zoom into this image a little bit here. Let's go into 100%. And let me move this over the frog. Now it's got to go ahead and re-enhance the image here. But I want you to see how nice this looks. It looks really good. And I found through experimentation that you try these different enhance settings. And I found that low resolution gave me the best results. I'm going to click on low resolution and give it a chance to re-enhance. But look how much more detail comes into there. And it's not overdone. It looks really good. Let me go into another area of the frog right here on its leg. And look at all this beautiful detail in here. Isn't that great? It looks really nice. It doesn't look fake. It doesn't look like a picture. Let me come up into this piece of wood here. And look at all that beautiful detail that comes out. So I recommend that you try these different enhanced resolution settings. Now, at this point, I am done. I'm happy. All I need to do is click on Save to Adobe Lightroom Classic plugin. I'll click that, and it's going to start its process here. And I'll go ahead and cut the video now, and I'll meet you right back in Lightroom. Now, here we are in Lightroom, and you notice, and I've been getting this message coming up, failed to process photo. TOPAZ Photo AI either failed to start or did not finish successfully. And I found that it actually did do it, because watch, I'm going to click OK. And you can see up here it says import files at their location. And you can see there it is. So it really did it. It really wasn't a problem. And now it's loading up the preview here. So you may get that message, but just click OK, but it really will do its thing. But you can imagine if you did overwrite existing file and you had an issue like that. Our image did import, but what if we used that overwrite existing image and we had a problem and it really didn't come back? That would not be too fun. However, if you do edit a copy, you still got the original raw file, just in case. Anything could happen with a computer, as we all know. Now let's check this out. I went ahead and put these two images in the XY comparison mode so we can really see. Of course, the image on the left is the upsized cropped image from TOPAZ Photo AI. The image on the right is the original image. I'm going to shut my lights out, typing the L key twice to shut the lights out. The image on the left is cropped, resized, denoised, and sharpened inside of Photo AI. The image on the right is the original image. This has done a fantastic job. Let me go ahead and get out of this mode here. And let me go back to a single view and click on my cropped frog. And let's view this image on full screen. I'm going to type my F key to get there. I just typed the F key in my keyboard. It shows me the full screen. And now let me go ahead and zoom in so you can really get an idea of what kind of job it's done. But look at that. Look at the detail in that wood. And on the frog itself and on the frog's leg. Quite an amazing job. And this is an iPhone image. This image started out as a 4032 by 3024 image. And now it's a 13,776 by 9180. And it's really cropped in tight. I could get a huge beautiful print out of this, and I haven't even started editing it yet. Well, there it is, everyone. This is TOPAZ Photo AI, the latest update, version 1.2.0. It's got that little bit of a bug when it returns the image back, but just click OK, and I'm sure they'll get that fixed probably by the next update. Well, don't forget, go ahead and download this new update if you haven't yet and give it a try. You can resize and crop your images right in TOPAZ Photo AI. If you enjoyed the tutorial today, please give it a like and share it with your friends. And if you're not yet a subscriber to this channel, please subscribe. Click that bell notification icon. Every time I upload a new tutorial, you'll get a notification. I want to thank each and every one of you for joining me today in the Joy of Editing with Dave Kelly, and I will see you all right here next time. But until then, happy editing!